What does it mean to be off book in theater? If you are cast in a play or a musical, your director will often assign an off book date. This is the day that you are no longer allowed to hold that precious, precious script in your hands while you're rehearsing. You are off the book. It is put down, it is over there, and we are free falling. It can be a really terrifying day if you are struggling with memorization. Which, by the way, if you are, check out this video here because there's tips in here to help you with memorization. But an off-book date is the date that the actors are no longer allowed to hold their scripts. They can call for line if they need to, but no more scripts for you. They are put down, you are off book, and you are starting the really fun part of the journey and the character building process. Hope this was helpful. If you want to know more jargon and theater terminology, check out this playlist here. I do weekly videos on theater advice, acting, choreography, so if you want to come dance and hang out, I would love to have you. Click the like and subscribe buttons. Otherwise, I will see you for more terminology. Bye.